Let's get started. So in this video, we will talk about how we can create a post for our WordPress website. The server I'm using is ServerByt and the domain is mummymart.net. I have already logged into my mummymart.net admin center, which we can visit from here. So just click on mummymart and under post, we can click on post, add new post. By clicking on add new post, we'll be redirected to this page. So here we can write our content, we can create a post. I have already written the article for the post, so let's go back. So this is the article that I've written. So let me scroll this down. Once we have written our article, we can simply select our category under post. If we scroll this down, so if you see we have multiple categories, we can select the post category from here. I have mentioned certain image like this. Once we copy this link, we simply need to convert it to the link. Suppose by selecting this, we can edit it and we can add. If we want to change any text, we can add it here and then link and then save. Similarly, we can create a link and paste it here and convert that into a link. For example, let me go back to my Facebook. And from here, I'm just creating a link. So click on share, copy link, and I'll be posting it here at the very bottom of the article. So scroll this down here, simply paste it. Once we paste it, we simply have to convert to link, and we can edit this by clicking on this, edit, and type here. Type any text you want here and leave the link as it is. So I have just mentioned Facebook deals and then save it. And once we have select our category, we can verify everything. If you want to make any changes, we can try to change those. And once everything is done, we can simply publish it. So before publishing it, let me show you, we do not have this article yet. So if I go back to the website, on the website under mummymart, we have these articles that we have written earlier, not related to the current one. We already have certain articles on mummymart under mummymart category. Let me see if we have under discount. So we have this hello world. So we'll be deleting this and we'll be adding the current article. So let's go back. Let's change the category, deals, and close this. Or let's make it under mummymart and deals and publish it. Let's publish. We can view the post from here. Let's wait for a while. Let me remove this article. We can select the post, can use it, move to trash and apply. Once we move the post to trash, it will be gone and it won't be visible on the website. So let's go back and refresh this page. Once we refresh this page, we see under discount we do not have any article because there was hello world article which we have removed. And under deals, we have our recent post, and under mummymart we have the same post that we have created, this one. That is it for this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.